What's up, guys? We're out at Walker's house today. Say what's up, Walker.
What's up, boys?
We're out here building a huge hit bike ramp. I mean, look at this thing. I'll put a bike next to it so you guys can see how big it is, but it's a giant step up. Should kick us pretty high in the air. Right now we are shoveling out the run up. So Walker's taking out this little hill because before it'd make us jump before we actually hit the ramp. This thing's gonna be huge, huh, Walker?
Yeah, and we got a giant berm. Hopefully it'll carry us enough speed to launch that thing. But
yes, sir. Hopefully. But we gotta keep digging. And hopefully don't come up short, because that would suck.
Yeah.
On that cliff. Alright, I probably look like a weirdo right now. But Walker's gonna hit another jump that's pretty similar to like the steepness, just so he can kind of see how it's gonna kick him. And then I think he's gonna hit it. I just feel like I don't have enough speed, but Walker says he thinks he's got it. 'Cause my tire's bald, so I can't really get any grip. That's pretty good. I feel like he needs to lean forward more. He's just kind of like Ronnie Mack in the air. I feel like you need to lean forward more.
Okay.
Like in the air, it looks like you're like Ronnie Mack, you know?
Yeah. You think seat bounce or stand up?
Oh, I think stand up for sure. Dude, seat bounce on that thing will send you to the moon. There you go. How's it feel? That last one looked really good.
On it.
Yeah?
Did it look like I booted it? Like, went pretty far?
Yeah, you went pretty far.
I think just second pin.
Yeah. Don't let off. Oh, he's feeling it. He's feeling it. This is the one. Alright, maybe the next one's the one.
Oh, I was right there.
Yeah.
Bro.
I thought you were going for it.
It just lagged a little bit. I feel like I need to get a little bit faster into it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Speed.
That's a lot. That's a lot more speed. Huh?
I got that right.
I think so, dude. That was a lot of speed. Oh! That was crazy. How'd it feel?
It felt good. I think we got it.
Alright. Yeah, that was pretty nuts. I don't know if I have the speed, because look at my tire. It's completely flat. I ordered a new one, but I haven't come in yet. Dude, that was crazy. You wanna hit that other big jump a couple times?
Yeah. I'm kind of done working on this one for today.
Yeah. I say we just ride and have fun.
Yeah.
That mud is scary after that jump.
Yeah.
The poles scare me. You did?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.